This is going to be a supercar, fit for a superhero. Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is a 1:64 scale Hot Wheels Aston Martin Valhalla. It's a concept car, but it's an exotic in every sense of the word. Look at the beautiful lines on this one. It's brand new out of the blister pack, so I don't anticipate having to fix up any defects, but it's certainly going to get a total makeover from stem to stern, and I'm going to submit this as my entry to the very first build-off of a new season for the Four Horsemen. We welcome Tom from Spork Syndicate and Skip from Crossroad Diecast Speed Shop, who make up the new team and a new feel, and this month's guest horseman is Matchbox Mark. This year we're going with themes instead of specific castings. Look ahead for February, March, and April, or the whole calendar. Make sure you know what's coming. We want you to participate. This year, in the recap videos, we're going to highlight those that are the top participants in our monthly invitationals. All you've got to do is submit a high-quality glamour shot to fourhorsemandiecast@gmail.com on the last day of the month, but no sooner, please, and we'll include your work in that recap. One particular thing that's noteworthy about the Valhalla is the absence of A-pillars. The strength of the front windshield is integral in the structural integrity of this concept car. I don't have too many plans for the interior. It looks pretty cool with those sport seats, just as it is. And all black is going to suit the new color scheme that I've got in mind. The original plastic Hot Wheels pop out with a firm twist on these three plastic tabs that hold the axles into place. There they are, they're actually kind of nice looking. However, I'm going to upgrade them to some nice real rubber Samets. All filed away for the work on the bench this coming week. A word about shop safety at this point in the video. Whenever you're using intense gel paint strippers like I am here, make sure you're wearing a proper PPE mask. Keep the windows open, the ventilator fans are running. For this project, I'm decanting the paint out of a spray can, which means I just need to let it rest in this cup for about 10 minutes to degas, and then it goes straight into my airbrush. I'm using a 0.5 needle here, and it goes on perfectly well with the added control that you get from the airbrush. Look at that top coat. That expands my possibilities for paints, especially when it comes to a metallic like the one I've chosen for the Valhalla. I'm very pleased with that. I always like to remind you of what's coming on my channel. You'll see a 1971 MGB GT Coupe turned into a real-life rally car, and this cool combi hot rod, which was a challenge that I was given recently. Stay tuned for that. The Diecast International Builders are sponsoring a big rig build-off in February. Part 2 of the super huge ginormous build-off, also late February, is your favorite candy or sweet. You're a billionaire, entrepreneur, and inventor. You probably drive an Audi e-tron. This inspiration pick just gave me an idea for some Iron Man colors on a supercar. So there's the gold, together with the red metallic that I've already shot. I put some tape down and gold highlights on the roof. Always do a clear coat before masking so that the unmasking is not so nerve-wracking. In this case, a little bit of luck gave me a beautiful turnout. Let's see in a dry fit how that looks. Oh, nice combo. Marvel Comics will be calling me any day now. Today's community shout-out goes to Jake at Strictly Diecast, a channel that you will enjoy immensely as I do. I've left a link in the description for you to follow in case you don't know about this one. Please say hello from Maple Leaf Customs when you visit. Thanks. You know, these are not the worst Hot Wheels I've ever seen. They actually suit the look of the Valhalla, but all black was a little bit too dull and I wanted to stick with the gold highlights. So on go a new set of Samet wheels. Now bag and tag the old ones. You should visit www.sametwheels.com when you're looking for your next set of wheels for a restoration or a custom job that you're doing. If you use the promo code Maple Leaf, they'll put a couple of freebies in there for you along with the rest of your order. The final couple of details on this supercar superhero upgrade include a channel logo on the undercarriage and the all-important hood badge featuring the Aston Martin wings. Let's see all the parts. I like the gold highlights on top of the metallic red. I put some headlight decals on there as well. I never touched the glass. There's some racing harnesses in the sports seats. Taillights are highlighted in red. And absolutely no exhaust to be touched up on the undercarriage. Smoke glass makes it a little bit hard to look into, but the side windows are open so you can get a peek in there. There's the new Samet wheels. I had to adjust the axle length. That's easy to do. And it's all put back together with a couple of Phillips head 256 screws where I had drilled out the posts originally. Good freedom of motion on the tires. And you can see it moves across the desk. Well, let's see what Tony would sit himself inside of and have a closer look. The whole overall picture is very striking, I think. Some of the gold trim was incorporated into the chassis pieces and the side wings, as you've seen. The black makes a nice contrast as well. The new Samet wheels really stand out with gold rims. It's a cool car. Twin electric motors in there, did you know that? I am a fan of silver and black on a car, especially a supercar, but I thought we could have some fun with this in a Marvel Comics kind of way. And now it's an Iron Man ride. I think it looks really cool. You'll get to see it from every angle now, and be sure to check out all of the other Four Horsemen builds on the theme of exotics. There's going to be a bunch of them, and I know you'll enjoy each one. Remember to send in your glamour pick to be included in the recap video. I've made a special display case for mine with a holographic certificate of authenticity and an Iron Man motif on the back wall of this one. It makes a nice home for the Valhalla. I'm going to continue to offer my Four Horsemen builds for sale this year. You can make your competitive bid on my YouTube community page. I'll leave it open for a week. Thanks again to Matchbox Mark for being our guest horseman this month, and I want to say thank you to all of you for watching my video today. Come on back soon and often. It's coffee time.